Is this the end of Tesla? Who is going to replace Tesla? Who is going to lead the EV market? Audi, BMW, Toyota, or Lucid? No. This time it's going to be NIO. Yes, you heard it right. NIO will lead the EV market soon. Want to know more? Hey folks, welcome back to ElectroZone. In this video, we are going to find out how NIO will replace Tesla, so stay tuned. NIO was established in Shanghai, China in 2014, and it did not begin manufacturing its products until 2017. Beginning in June of 2018, the company began delivering its first vehicles to customers. The ES8, a premium SUV with 7 seats and a starting price of approximately $68,000, was the company's first model. Since then, it has increased the number of vehicles in its lineup by 3, making it one of the most successful electric vehicle startup companies. In April of this year, it surpassed the milestone of 100,000 vehicles sold. In 2018, Tesla opened its Giga Shanghai factory, which serves as the primary production facility for the Model 3 and Model Y in the Asian market. Before being dethroned by the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, the Tesla Model 3 held the title of best-selling EV in China. This title now belongs to the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, which also holds the title of best-selling EV in the world. Tesla is still doing extremely well in China, but its competitors are growing, getting better, and in some cases passing the veteran electric vehicle manufacturer. J.D. Power carried out an initial quality survey directed specifically at electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and other manufacturers competing in the market for new energy vehicles. NIO came out on top of the competition in the category of battery electric vehicles, while Tesla had to settle for second place. The NIO ET7, the company's newest and most premium flagship sedan, is currently undergoing production, and NIO anticipates beginning customer deliveries sometime in 2022. The ET7 will come equipped with a battery that has a standard capacity of 70 kilowatt-hours and a range of 300 miles. A battery with a capacity of 100 kilowatt-hours and a range of 435 miles is available as an option. NIO also claims it has been working on a battery with a capacity of 150 kilowatt-hours, which could provide a range of up to 620 miles. If it is able to deliver on that range, it will be able to outperform Tesla's top performer by a sizable margin, as the Model S Long Range's maximum range is currently 402 miles. The ET7 has a starting price of approximately $69,000, which is $20,000 lower than that of a Tesla. Battery as a Service is the name of NIO's battery swapping service, which is another one of the company's aces up its sleeve. It takes a lot less time to refill the fuel tank of an internal combustion engine than it does to charge an electric vehicle, but NIO has come up with a solution to this problem in the form of a service in which the old battery is replaced with a new one whenever the old one is about to run out. The capacity of the battery can also be selected by the user if they so desire. This subscription costs $151 for a battery that has a capacity of 70 kWh and $228 for the one that has a capacity of 100 kWh. When you sign up for this service, you will receive a $10,000 discount off of the base price of the vehicle, and this reduction is applicable to all NIO models. Do you think NIO will dethrone Tesla as the leading electric vehicle manufacturer in China? Please leave a comment below with your thoughts on where you see Tesla fitting into the Chinese market. How does the growth of NIO in China compare to that of Tesla? Let's dive in. On Monday, the market was caught off guard by Tesla after the company announced record-high quarterly and full-year production and delivery numbers. As a result, the company's share price rose within striking distance of its all-time high. Investors who keep tabs on the development of the EV market in China might be curious to see how Tesla's numbers stack up against those of the market leader in China's EV industry, NIO. The most recent information regarding both companies is presented below, along with an analysis of which of the two should be considered a worthwhile investment at the present time. Recognizing Tesla's output in comparison to its output of deliveries. Daniel Folber, in October, Tesla sold 54,391 vehicles that were manufactured in China, and in November, the company sold 52,859 of them, as reported by the China Passenger Car Association. The production and delivery numbers of Tesla vehicles for the fourth quarter were not made public by the company. However, if we take the average of the two CPCA numbers for December and then multiply that number by 3 to account for the number of months in the quarter, we will arrive at an estimate of approximately 160,875 vehicles produced in China during the fourth quarter. That's more than half of the total 305,804 automobiles that Tesla manufactured during the last quarter of the year. However, after conducting further research into the numbers, we discovered that Tesla sold approximately 250,000 electric vehicles in China between the months of January and November. If we extrapolate this data to cover the entire year, we can estimate that China accounted for approximately 29% of Tesla's deliveries in 2021. That constitutes a significant portion of Tesla's overall deliveries. In point of fact, the company's sales in China from January to November of 2021 were higher than the company's total deliveries for the entire year of 2018. If we want to compare Tesla's growth to that of other Chinese automakers like NIO and XPeng, we need to perform the exercise of separating the production of Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory from Tesla's sales in China. This is an important step. Once production at its new factories in Germany and Texas get underway, Tesla anticipates that it will be able to increase its annual production capacity to 2 million units by the year 2022. If investors avoid conflating the output of a single factory with sales in that region, they will continue to have a better understanding of Tesla's sales on a geographic basis. However, if the company were to streamline production in each of its primary markets, it should be able to reduce the number of automobiles it ships out of any one factory. This would allow the company to save money by producing automobiles in closer proximity to the places where they will be sold. NIO is still relatively young, but it already has a strategy. In response to Howard Smith, it was not a decision made lightly by Tesla when it came to selecting a location for its first manufacturing plant outside of the US. China currently has the largest automotive market on a global scale, and it ought to maintain its leadership position throughout the transition of EVs. According to estimates provided by Bloomberg NEF, China will be responsible for approximately 13 million sales of EVs in 2030 and 18 million sales by 2040. It's possible that investors looking at NIO will see faster growth than Tesla's, but given the company's starting point, a direct comparison isn't going to be very helpful. However, Chinese EV manufacturers as a whole are expanding at a faster rate than Tesla is doing so anywhere in the world. And while NIO and XPeng are only producing a fraction of what Tesla makes in its Shanghai facility alone, Chinese competitor BYD is getting closer and closer to Tesla's global production level with its new energy vehicle products. Battery electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles are both included in this category of automobiles. BYD is the company that most closely compares to Tesla, despite the fact that all three Chinese electric vehicle companies are expanding at a faster rate than Tesla and are projected to sell more than 600,000 new energy vehicles in 2021. NIO has a significant distance to travel before it can even come close to matching the production that comes out of Tesla's Shanghai plant alone. However, the organization does have a strategy. It has new products that will be released in 2022, and it started adding production capacity last year. According to the company, this could potentially allow it to reach 300,000 units per year. Despite the fact that this won't come close to matching Tesla's production volume in China, there may be plans in the works for a partnership with BYD that will help. According to local reports, representatives from NIO have been visiting the headquarters of BYD. Furthermore, according to reporting by CNEV Post, the two companies may be close to reaching an agreement to collaborate on the creation of a sub-brand. It would be a mistake for investors to write off NIO's chances of reaching Tesla's level of deliveries in China and beyond if the company kept expanding its production capacity and collaborated with BYD on a brand that would appeal to a large consumer base. And that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.